Good morning. Today we're going to demonstrate how to add a testimonial link to your Outlook email signature. Now, this means that you must be using Outlook to manage your email. So to begin with, first place we need to go is GoHana. We will sign into GoHana. And as the screen builds, you'll notice that you have a quality service and review button in the lower right-hand corner. Now, it may be in various locations depending upon your screen settings and screen size. But find quality service and reviews and click on it. This is your dashboard. From here you can do a lot of things with your surveys and your reviews. And we want to collect a review, so we're going to choose Review from the menu on the left. We drop that down, and we are going to be collecting a review. When you click on Collect, screen opens up and you have a variety of choices. Send a request from your email. That's what we're going to do. But we're going to come down here to this link. If your email service supports rich links, which Outlook does. So we're going to copy this link with your left mouse button down. Just highlight it and then right click and choose Copy. Not Copy Shortcut. You want to choose Copy. Once you've copied it, we're going to go back to our Outlook. We're then going to go up here to the word File, drop File down, and come down here to where it says Options. Click on the word Options, and this window will appear. And we're talking about Mail, so we'll click on the Mail button. And if you look over here on the right, you will find Signatures. Click on the word Signatures, and I have two signatures. I have a signature for an original outgoing email, and I have one for a return, as if I'm responding to an email. I've chosen my original, and now we're going to scroll down in the signature to the bottom. I'm going to put an extra return in to really highlight this testimonial link. I'm going to right-click. When you right-click, you get options, and we want this one in the middle. When you click on this option, you wait for it, and you'll see that it's already in blue and it's underlined. It is a hot link. Just hit your return key once. Go over here to the right and choose OK. And then click on OK on this screen. And you're all done. Well, let's see if it worked. Let's go up here and choose New Mail. Scroll down, and there it is. Now, it's not going to appear as a hot link yet. But let's send the email once and see if it works. We're going to send it to my alternate email, label it test. And now we're going to hit the send button. Now, I've sent it to my Gmail account. So I will scroll down here. And as you see, I've already tested it once today. And here's the latest test. The email opens up. And down here is the link for a testimonial. You click the link and it takes us right here. Your clients, friends, neighbors, loved ones can fill in a testimonial. Put in their name, other important information if they wish. And at the very bottom is the submit button. I hope this helps. Call us if you have any questions.